Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
See, and she put it all together.
She got the Tamia line dance. Right, out and over. Okay. It's good. Break it down. Cross. Let me see your footwork. Hey, I can't get enough of you. What I got in store? You gotta be like the instructor. She was.
It's not formal, okay? So we're gonna, if we don't like it, we're gonna spit it out, okay? If we like it, we're gonna drink it. More juice equals more flavor. Once you finish squeezing, you put it right back in the tray.
Oh, that's smart. I love orange juice. Alright.
Thanks.
You can take it, use your muddler. The muddler looks like this, okay? And you're gonna scoop it right in, okay? Yep, you can scoop, well, let's say this. If you like things sweet, put all of it. Put all of it. If you like things not sweet, don't put all of it. Okay. So half, or you can always add more than half, okay?
Okay, I'll start adding butter.
This is one of Miss Barbara's favorite cocktails. Get that to the side.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna grab your lighter. You gonna grab your rosemary. Lighter, rosemary. Flick it one time. Lighter, rosemary. Flick it one time. Just flick the lighter. Just flick it to see if it works. Just flick.
Oh yeah, I smell it. It smells good.
All right, you start smelling it? Okay, once you get the first char and it starts burning, see how mine is burning? Keep burning until you get a little smoke coming from it. You ready to trap yours?
Yes, let me get my cup. You can put it right here.
I got you.
Thank you.
I'm coming.
You got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get all the goodness in there, you're gonna see it.
All right, let's stand up with our drinks once you have your drinks in hand.
There you go.
Okay.
Mobile bar concierge.
Yeah.
Located in Baltimore, New Jersey. The whole East Coast.
Okay, this is the Red Berry Summer Classic. Red Berry Summer Classic. So you have your mint, strawberry, cucumber, and lime. Mint, strawberry, cucumber, and lime. First things first before we put it in. Okay? We want to make sure we smacking it. So hold your mint up in the air, smack it. You're gonna smell it. Release all the flavor. If you like it mini, you'll put a lot. If you don't like you don't really like the mint, I don't like that. Okay? Then you don't have to put it in, or you can just put 1 or 2 liters. Up to you.
I never knew that.
I'm down.
It feels so good.
You know what that means.
But I'm gonna try.
Whoever, so your strawberry, your cucumber.
This one for the friends, showing love to my real ones. Say it with my chest, blow it up if you know what I'm feeling. They gon' keep me honest, women how to spend, they the one making deposits. Love for my dogs, and I will never pause it. Showing love to my real ones. Here are my complaints, let me talk for days. Sit with me and cry and walk me through the pain. Take me by the hand when I'm not walking straight. Help me eat the food when it's too much on my plate. You'll hold me down, pick me up, do it all, you talk me down.
favorite drink?
This
Oh, that one.
because I am a coffee girl.
Yeah. What's the name?
This is gonna be called
The public, yeah.
Coffee by B.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. If it's your birthday, make some noise.
Y'all, this was a good time.
More coffee to it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just start making it more.
Cheers.
No, I think this is it.
I'm not.
One, two, three. Turn. Right, left, right, left. You always want to end with your left foot up. 7, 8. Right, left, right. Please book us for your next line dancing needs. We do offer one-on-one sessions, all the things, okay? Booking link in bio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. Just go right, left. Yes, right here. So, right. Like all this stuff. Okay, now go. Right, left, right, left. So we end like this. So, right, left, turn.
Got it.
Right, left, So this is my drink from yesterday, y'all. This is the mint marinade. It's real good. I don't know if I can taste the vodka though. Maybe that just means it's mixed good.
Yeah.
We're on our way to brunch though.
You want me to turn my
We just left church.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I?
I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you and you do the same thing. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you.
Hey y'all, quick outfit of the day. Top is from Amazon, bottoms are ASOS, shoes are ASOS, earrings are Louis Vuitton, bag is YSL, and hair is Cream of Nature.
Make it lighter for ya, I make it brighter for ya. If you're guilty, I'ma feel the shame.
Alright y'all, so we just got back from brunch. I'm about to pack. My flight actually leaves in a little bit, but I'm gonna close out today's vlog. Well, the weekend vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. We had a time, okay? Shout out to my girl, happy birthday. I love you so much because I know you watching, y'all. We ended up watching so many of my videos literally while I was twisting my hair the other day. Y'all saw it in the vlog. But anywho, love y'all. Thank y'all so much for the support. As always, I will see you guys on my next video. I post every week, so if you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe before you go, period. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Anything change, yeah, I'm still loyal. I ride for you and you do the same thing, yeah, I'm still loyal.
Get into my airport fit though. Oh, I forgot my leg is hurting, y'all. Oh. Bye, y'all.